not to touch your face.
And everyone would have to fill out that would go directly.
The things about washing your hands and not touching your mouth and your nose and your eyes.
Can you tell me why it took 5 days?
Don't touch your face. My kids are so sick and tired of me saying if they scratch their face, don't touch your face. That's how viruses get.
Well, it's easy to say, but hard to do because we do it unconsciously, it's a habit, and we do it all the time. If you want to break this habit, a good starting point is simply to make you aware of those events. My name is Vlad, and I will show you what I propose as a solution to this challenge. Let's use a device that would determine and trace position of my hands, and whenever they want to land on my face, the device would let me know my vibrations or beep, or strong electric shock. Whatever works for you, I am fine with the short beep. I made a small demonstrator, and let's have a look on it. So I have one sensor on my right hand, second sensor on my left hand. There is one more sensor here on my neck. There is a data processing computer with battery, a little bit of soldering, 3D printing and coding, and that's it. It is very simple. Let's have a look how it works. Here we have a real-time data. Horizontal axis is time, vertical axis is the vertical position coming from sensors. Let's turn the sound on, and if I raise my hand towards my face, we have this beep sound, also with the second hand. I can also sit down. We see the response. I can read a book, and then suddenly and totally unconsciously, if I wanna scratch my nose, I will not do it because of this waking up sound. So even such a simple demonstrator works pretty well. It can be done smaller or more robust or implemented differently. Radar scanning space in front of my face. It's just a matter of technical implementation. I believe that such tool can be very useful in changing unwanted behavior habits. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think about it. Goodbye!